Welcome to this explainer. Right now, thousands of developers are stuck writing the exact same AI code.
So, why is AI tool calling completely broken? Because every single company is trapped in an industry wide bottleneck. Think about tool calling. It's basically how an AI reaches out and interacts with the outside world.
When LLMs hit the scene, everyone immediately wanted them hooked up to things like Gmail and GitHub. But here's the trap. Company A builds a custom GitHub integration, and Company B builds the exact same thing.
Everyone's working in silos to solve the exact same problem, wasting thousands of hours of dev time.
So, the million-dollar question: how do we stop this ridiculous redundancy and actually share our work? Well, enter the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This thing completely changes the whole integration game. The workflow is super simple. You build an integration just once using the standardized protocol. Because it's an open standard, developers everywhere can plug right in without starting from scratch. It literally brings the wasted hours spent on basic redundant integrations down to absolute zero. Now, integration kept evolving. MCP was an amazing foundation, but honestly, it had some early drawbacks. To fix those initial hiccups, the industry naturally evolved toward using highly refined AI skills. Today, developers are using these skills to build robust, production-ready agentic workflows so much faster. Switching from custom tools to modern protocols totally kills redundancy and unlocks massive, massive scalability. Like the protocol emphasizes, you build it once, so nobody else ever has to reinvent the wheel. So here's your main takeaway. Stop rebuilding basic integrations and start scaling your agentic AI apps. Are you still writing custom integration code? Just imagine what your AI could achieve if you stopped.